Hello guys, this is Lucky from Jasmine TV. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to install third-party app store on Android devices. So before we get into video, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and like the video and share it with your friends. So let's go. First, we have to click on Google Chrome, and in search bar we have to type here aptoide.apk and click on search. And then you click on the first website which will be showing on the Google search. Click on it. Here we go. So here you can see the Aptoide, the download button. Click on the download button and allow. Click on OK. So here you will get the message, this type of file can harm your device. So it doesn't matter, just click on OK, no worries. Click on it and wait for the file as it's downloaded on system. I'm going to install it. So here we go, the file is downloaded and then I'm going to click on install. Click on install button and wait until it's installed on system. So it's installing now. It's going to take approx 10 seconds. So the application is already installed on it. So, and now I'm going back to home and let me show you. Click on the Aptoide. So here you can see it's same like Play Store. You can find almost all the application which you can find on Google Play Store. So here you can find all the applications. Here I'm going to show you, I'm going to install an application for you. I'm typing here SMS backup. Click on search. Yeah, here you can see, and just click on it and you can install on your mobile. So this is the video.